Alright, I wanted to show y'all. This is a 2011 Kia Soul. I took the door panel off already. It's super easy. It's just 4 screws, 1 on each side. There's these orange tabs are. 1 where the door handle is, and 1 right here. And so after that, you just prod off. It's best if you have like one of those so you don't scratch up anything. But I have been having a leak problem in my floorboard for forever, and I changed the seals, everything, nothing worked. So it has to be this. And so when I open it up, it is obvious that there's been water in here. And so I'm gonna replace this all, and hopefully that fixes my problem. Alright, so I got all the old plastic off. You want to use gloves for this butyl tape. It's super sticky. You should not get it on you because you'll be stuck with it. And so I bought some new stuff. This should do, shoot, all my doors a couple times if I wanted it to. But all my other doors are fine, just butyl tape though. They say this is what you should get, and that's what this crap is right here. Thankfully, this car is pretty basic. I only have 2 wires, so I'm only gonna have to make 1 vent in this door. But there are some cars that have like all this fancy stuff, and so that would be fun. All right, so it comes in a roll, and what we want to do is just put it where this other tape was. This is still super sticky, so I'm gonna leave it. If yours is like dry, you probably should take it off. I'm not gonna do that because I got spots that are just completely bare, and I'm just gonna go kind of line it over the top of that. So let's put my gloves back on. I also have plastic sheeting, so I'm gonna use for this 6mm thick. And this stuff will last me forever, and it's so multi-purposeful. Like, you can use it for pretty much whatever. But before I put the butyl on, I'm gonna roll some of this out. Alright, so for this, you want to kind of protect this hole. So we're going to make like a little flap that goes right here. You don't want to restrict it too much. I'm gonna use some Butyl for that. Don't need a whole lot. Alcohol, paper towel. Alright. I don't know what this is for, but I put it back in there and it was factory sealed into the old plastic. So I could not get it to reseal, so I just put a layer on top and Butyl taped around that. So there shouldn't be any water that gets in here, so that should take care of that. I'm gonna do some research and see what this is, but for now, I don't know. As long as it's sealed and no water can get in, then that's all that matters. And it is all sealed up. I'm gonna take a heat gun and I'm gonna heat gun and so that it kind of shrink wraps tighter, and I'm gonna cut these off and then it should be good. clip right there, and then all you do is so there's a groove up top. And it should pop back into place, just like that. I put them all in this little baggie because I tend to lose things if they aren't in the bag. So this is an easy way I figured out to come up with to keep up with all my stuff. And it's a little Phillips screw. The little cover over it. There's one. There's another one right here. Close the cap back. Got one right here. A little plastic cap. That one right there. Plastic cap. Hopefully tomorrow's rain will not put water in my floorboard, so we will see. Thanks for watching.